Instruct Joey to collect and drop the shapes into the bin if their color is red and if they are circles using if block. In this exercise, Joey's task is to collect and drop only red circles from the given shapes. Remember, in the last exercise, Joey had to check only one condition. That is, if the color of shape is equal to red. But in this exercise, can you guess how many conditions are there? Yes, there are 2 conditions. Joey should collect and drop a shape into the bin only if 2 conditions are true. That is, its color should be red and shape should be a circle. So we use the comparison or equal to blocks twice. We use a block called AND from operators category when we have to satisfy 2 conditions. Instructions to Joey. Here, Joey checks only one condition if color of shape is equal to red. But in this exercise, Joey has to check 2 conditions, namely 1. Color of shape is equal to red. 2. Shape is equal to circle. So take out the color of shape is equal to red block from if block and keep it aside in the script area. Now add AND block from operators category inside if block. Then drag and drop 2 equal to blocks from operators category. As we did in the previous exercise, place color of shape from looks category in the first equal to block before equal to and place red block from data category after equal to. Guess from where we should take shape and circle blocks. Yeah, from the looks category and the data category. Drag and drop shape from looks category in the second equal to block before equal to and place circle block from data category after equal to. Click on execute to see what happens. Can you try this exercise